In this video, I'll demonstrate how UCR-affiliated researchers like students, staff, and faculty can create accounts in Aeon, the Special Collections Request Service. From the UCR Library homepage, library.ucr.edu, select Libraries, then Special Collections and University Archives. Click Special Collections Request System on the right side of the page. As a UCR student, you are considered a UCR affiliate researcher. Click Login, then log in using your UCR Net ID and password, and authenticate using dual authentication. If you are not a UCR student, faculty member, or staff member, please click on the link for non-affiliate users. First-time users will be directed to a registration form to create a research account. Review the guidelines about the reading room. Then, fill out the new user registration. Click Submit Information. Next, you'll arrive at the Aeon platform homepage. Here you can perform different actions such as requesting materials, reviewing the status of your requests, or submitting a scan or reproduction request. You now have an Aeon account and can request Special Collections and University Archives materials.